Welcome to Reality Creator Radio. I'm Hermes, and today we're going to talk about my new Raspberry Pi. And I don't mean the kind that you eat. Raspberry Pi is a miniature computer. It's used for you could use it for just about everything. I've had my Raspberry Pi for a while, and I've been toying around with what to do with it. Now, our tech guru, Jason, has been after me to convert the Raspberry Pi into what they call a Pi hole. And what this Pi hole does is it takes all of your internet traffic, scans it, and blocks 90% of the ads, 90% of the tracking software, 90% of the unsavory web spots and shit like that. It prevents all that stuff from getting into your network. And so I finally got around to putting this in probably last week or so. And I have to say it is absolutely amazing. 50% of my internet traffic has gone into supplying these people with my personal tracking information and having to download ads that I don't really want to have at all. 50%. Now, if you're on a metered connection, then you're actually paying these guys to take your internet privacy and shove it up your butthole. Yeah, exactly. So that was my new toy for the week. So it's absolutely amazing. I just can't believe that 50% of my bandwidth was going to these nefarious places and stuff like that. But, of course, this show is not about hardware. It's about reality creating. It's about spirit. It's about all that other stuff. So what does my new Raspberry Pi with its Pi hole software have to do with that? Well, okay, you asked. Well, this is what you're going to get. This brings up a very interesting thing, is background tasks, okay? You have your internet and you're surfing, and in the background, while you're doing the things that you want to do, you have a lot of background tasks going that you have no idea what they are. In this particular case, they happen to be people that want to track your every movement, want to sell you something and jam their information in your face in one way or another, and whatever, use that information ultimately against you. But anyway, background tasks. So spiritually, believe it or not, you have background tasks. Yes, you do. Every little fear that you have, every little aspiration that you have, every little confrontation that you have, all this stuff, unresolved wants and desires, all these things are background tasks in your consciousness. And guess what? Just like my network, 50% of your bandwidth or more could be going up into maintaining this stuff when it is not even necessary. So, we don't have a Pi hole that's quick and easy to, attach to our consciousness and just dump this stuff into the big void, I wish we did. It'd make it a lot easier. But we do have is our spiritual training. We have our Tree of Life places. We have meditation, reflection. We have a whole lot of tools to examine ourselves and to figure out separate the crap from the good shit. And what you want to do is get rid of the crap that you're carrying and only carry the good shit, because then you're going to gain perhaps 50% or more of your reality creating power back. We could always use more reality creating power, right? Why divert reality creating power into some sort of thing that is not returning anything positive to you? And I got news for you. You got lots of that shit going on, because I got lots of that shit going on in my own psyche. I'm constantly going through my psyche with a fine-tooth comb, trying to weed out this crap, because I certainly don't want to spend any more consciousness energy on stuff that is not going to help me at all. And like I said, some of that stuff is past fears, past life stuff. I mean, past life in this life, not the other lives. Stuff that happened to me years ago that I still you might not have resolved one way or another. All that crap has got to come out. And the only way that you can do that, all right now, until I figure out a psychic pie hole, the only way you could do that is with Tree of Life work and ether work. And that's the best way that you can get in there and rip this shit out. Because there's a whole lot of ether ether places. There's a whole lot of Tree of Life places. And on my website, you will see them there. And each of these places will help target some specific area of yourself to help rid yourself of whatever it is that you need to get rid of. And, of course, teach you something that you need to put in its place. If you're looking for something specific, you can, if you have something specific you want to get rid of or work on, I'm sure there's a Tree of Life or an ether place that you can go visit in travel meditation and get this shit done. Believe me, you will not regret the effort it takes to remove this crap from your psyche. So what do you say? Let's take that shit and shove it down the void of nothingness and get back some of our consciousness energy and our reality creating power, and let's take back what is ours. So I want to see everybody out there this week travel meditating or trying to travel meditate. If you want more formal instruction on travel meditation, feel free to join us with the Nemo plan on Patreon or PayPal, and you can join in the fun there. But for all of you do-it-yourselfers, everything you need is on the website to get you going and get rid of all of that background shit and send it into the void so it is no longer tying up any of your resources. I'm Hermes, this is Reality Creator Radio, and I will talk to you soon.